Okay guys, in this next clip, we're going to talk about an MX turn where you can lay the bike over. We're going to talk about the importance of the downshift coming in, your body position, and what to do with the apex, and how to put traction on the front wheel at the apex, and explain the importance of the downshift coming in on the exit of turn as well as the entrance. Stay tuned, it's coming at you next, guys.
So what I'm getting at is more downshift coming into the turn. Now I know the next question is, well, where do you downshift coming into the turn? Where?
Right before, right?
Right where I go for the brake pedal. When I go for the brake pedal, it's like downshift. Because in a sense, what are you doing by downshifting?
Braking.
So the downshift happens, downshift, rear brake. Where's my body position? Back, which most of you were doing that. Back body weight. Why? Because that's slowing down the inertia of the motorcycle. I'm putting more weight on the rear of the bike to get better traction under braking. No clutch, right? If we pull the clutch in, what happens? The thing starts to lock up and skid, right? Yeah. It's back, front, rear together, downshift, my body weight's back. Off the rear. Now I'm going to go forward, but when I go forward, I'm going to sit further forward than I normally do. So if I was just riding down a straightaway, sitting on the bike, I'm going to be way more forward than that. Why? Because I want more weight on the front end. I'm trying to turn, right? So what's better to have weight on at this point when I'm trying to turn? The front end. So at the point of when I go to sit down, this is why it's called a one-legged squat. So I'm braking. When I go to sit, I'm squatting on the outside leg. Follow?
Yeah.
So squatting in that lower gear from there to there, because we're grabbing it again over there, right? A lot of things guys will think, well, shit, why? It doesn't matter. Dude, you're slowing, because you got a downshift, you're slowing the motorcycle down, but the wheels are still turning. They're not locked up and skidding. You're not losing as much momentum. Plus, on the exit, John V, what is better with a lower gear?
So,
More traction.
acceleration.
Everybody thinks I just stay in the seat because you know where you want your weight already. But there's that point where I want to unload the suspension and load it.
Yeah.
If you just stay there the whole time, you don't get the advantage that I'm trying to get you to feel of that turning capability as far as traction in front end. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Easier said than done?
Yes.
Yes.
100%.